Embedding a ConvertKit form into your WordPress site is a simple process. Here's how to do it. Create a form in ConvertKit. Log into your ConvertKit account and go to the landing pages and forms section. Click Create New and choose Form. Customize your form, adding fields like name and email, and any design changes you would like. Once done, click Publish to generate the form code. Copy the embed code. After publishing, you'll be provided with different options to share the form. Select the embed option and copy the provided JavaScript code. This is the code you will need to embed on your WordPress site. Embed the code in WordPress. In your WordPress dashboard, go to the page or post where you want the form to appear. Switch to the HTML or text editor. Paste the ConvertKit form code where you want the form to appear on the page. If you're using the WordPress block editor, you can use a custom HTML block to paste the code. Save or update the page or post. Publish your page. After saving, your ConvertKit form should now appear on your WordPress site.